For more than 90 years, customers have been in the focus of our activities. Our hands, they connect us with our customers and our machines, and are the link to our success. Since 1930, we have been developing and manufacturing high-quality machines for the fields of cattle feeding, green fodder harvesting, manure spreading, and transport. At our headquarters in Bad Lahr in Lower Saxony and in our factories with more than 600 employees all over the world, we produce over 2,500 machines each year. As a reliable partner, we help farmers and contractors with intelligent and powerful machines on an international basis. The values exemplified by the founder of the company, Bernhard Johannes Strautmann, are still deeply rooted in our family-owned business to this day, which is now managed by the fourth generation. With a young, committed team, we continue our success story and master the future challenges by means of new innovations. Our hands-on mentality, with a direct ear to the customer and quick and straightforward service, are our in-house standard and the basis for satisfied customers. Our service technicians and our spare parts warehouse ensure operational readiness of our machines 365 days of the year. We focus on continuous improvement and further development of our machines, which we implement hand in hand with our customers in a practical way tailored to needs. An abundance of technical expertise, wide experience, and a sense for more efficiency guarantee our success. Thus, we are inspired by new challenges every day and help farmers and contractors with a better and more future-proof management by means of the right technology. Most of our product portfolio is manufactured in the main production facility in Bad Lahr, in the Osnabrück region. Permanent investments in latest production methods keep our plant at a state-of-the-art level. Thanks to the high vertical range of production, up to in-house sheet metal processing here at the location, we are able to respond very flexibly and rapidly to customer requests and external factors. 12,000 tons of steel of very different strengths are processed in our own production facilities each year. Automated robot manufacturing increases our productivity and ensures first-class products in consistently high quality. We rely on the most modern surface technology for the coating of components. An ACC priming with subsequent powder coating guarantees a perfect finish of our machines, thus ensuring our high-quality standard. Due to the REP system, our production has a modern organizational structure. Our colleagues in the final assembly lines assemble our machines with utmost care. Since the foundation of the company, almost 500,000 units have left our production halls. No matter whether for green fodder harvesting in Germany or fresh grass feeding in New Zealand, we manufacture machines whose equipment versions are adapted to the respective requirements of most different markets. From Bad Lahr, out into the world. In our logistics center, the machines are prepared and loaded for international dispatch. But we have continued to develop in recent years, not only in Bad Lahr. Since 1990, we have been manufacturing machine components and parts of the product portfolio at the Polish location of Wówek. Here, we primarily produce components for the main production headquarters in Bad Lahr. The development into a modern production facility for welding and machine components is remarkable. With the latest CNC technology, we manufacture almost all components from small-toothed wheels to large rotor flanges in-house. Our welding robots weld components for our machines non-stop in a fully automated manner. Hands-on. Our employees' hands are still in demand. Particularly large components are welded together from individual parts in special welding devices. And for mounting sub-assemblies, we still rely on the trained eyes of our employees. We have become known as Strautmann company, among others, for the construction of three-way tipping trailers. In our tipping trailer final assembly in Vovec, all agricultural transport trailers from the small single-axle tipping trailer to the large 24 tons dump trailer are manufactured for the various markets. As a globally operating company, we are not only focused on production, but also on international sales. We generate more than 60% of our turnover outside Germany. We are proud to be successful on international markets with traditional German workmanship. No matter whether in Germany or the rest of the world, we make time for our customers and regard ourselves as a partner supporting farmers and contractors by our competence and reliability, while consistently improving our processes in order to continue to meet our customers' requirements in the future as well. No matter what challenges the future might hold in store for us, with the experience of our history, our habit of getting things done, and our focus on the essentials, our customers, we are jointly prepared to face the future.